Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Learn English podcast.
Hello and welcome. Do you ever feel like you know the English words, but when you say them, no one understands you? Maybe you say ship, but they hear sheep. Pronunciation can be tricky, but it is a skill you can master. Today, we're going to use two powerful techniques to help you: slow English and shadowing practice. This isn't about memorizing rules. It's about training your mouth to make the right sounds. Let's start your journey to clear and confident pronunciation. Many people think pronunciation isn't important, but it is. Good pronunciation helps you sound more confident, and most importantly, it makes sure people understand you. Just one wrong sound can change the meaning of a word. Slow English helps you hear every single sound clearly. It's like watching a sports game in slow motion so you can see every detail. Shadowing is where you repeat words at the same time as the speaker. This trains your mouth and brain to work together so you can produce the sounds naturally. Let's begin our practice. We will practice some of the most common, difficult sounds. Please listen carefully and repeat each word after me. Let's practice the difference between a long sound and a short sound. Listen carefully. Heel versus hill. Sheep versus ship. Leave versus live. Now say them with me. Heel, hill. Sheep, ship. Leave, live.
The th sound is very common. Remember to put your tongue between your teeth for this one. Think, thank, 3, the, this, that.
Now, repeat these sentences with me. I think so. This is my brother. He lives there. In English, one part of the word is louder and longer. We call this stress. It's very important. Listen to the difference. Photograph versus photographer. Apple versus agree. Today versus tomorrow. Now, let's practice together. Say them with me. Photograph. Photographer. Apple. Agree. Today. Tomorrow. Now let's put it all together. I'm going to read a short paragraph, and I want you to shadow me. Try to say the words at the same time as I do. I think I will go to the store this afternoon. I need to buy some things for my family. The weather is beautiful. It is very warm. I am happy today. Great job! You just practiced some of the most important skills for mastering pronunciation. You trained your ear to hear the sounds, and you trained your mouth to make them. Remember, pronunciation is a skill. You can't learn it from a book. You have to practice it with your voice. For your next step, pick just one technique from this video and practice it for 5 minutes every day. You will see a huge difference. Tell me in the comments below, what is one English word you find difficult to pronounce? I might even make a video just for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. Thank you for watching.